In this short video, I'll show 3 simple ways to add bullet points in Google Sheets. None of them need special tools, and each works well depending on whether you want a single bullet in one cell or bullets for a whole column. First method, the quick keyboard shortcut. Click the cell and start editing by double-clicking it or pressing F2. On a Windows PC, hold Alt and press 7 on the numeric keypad. Make sure numlock is on, and the bullet symbol will appear. On a Mac, press Option and 8 to insert the bullet. After the bullet type, a space and then your text, and you're done. If you want multiple bullets inside the same cell, after typing the first item, press Alt and enter on Windows, or Command and enter on Mac to move to a new line in the same cell. Then use the same bullet shortcut again to add the next bullet and repeat for each line. Second method, copy and paste for devices without a numeric keypad. Find a bullet symbol anywhere, for example, by searching for bullet point symbol in Google. Copy it. Then double-click the cell in Sheets and paste the bullet. Type your text, and if you want another line inside the same cell, press Alt and enter on Windows or Command and enter on Mac. Then paste the bullet again and continue. Third method, custom number formatting for whole lists or columns. Select the cells or column where you want bullets to appear. Go to the Format menu. Choose Number, then select Custom Number Format. In the box, type a double quote, then a bullet, then a space, then a double quote, followed by the @ sign. It should look like this in the field. Click Apply, and every cell in that range will show a bullet before the text. This only changes the display. It does not alter the actual cell content. You can't use multiple bullet points in one cell in this method. Why use each method? Use the keyboard shortcut when you need a bullet in a single cell or a few cells. Use copy and paste if your keyboard lacks a numeric keypad or you prefer a quick workaround. Use custom number formatting when you want a consistent bullet for an entire column without changing the underlying data. Try each approach and pick the one that fits your workflow. If you need to, pause the video and follow the steps in your own sheet. And soon, adding bullets will feel natural and fast.